Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an absolutely amazing strategy to make money online with CPA marketing right here, and CPAGRIP to be precise, utilizing a very cool platform called YouTube right now. So I'm going to walk you through how you could actually go into utilizing YouTube traffic to get a lot of audience, a lot of leads to your CPA marketing offer. Stick with me as we dive right into that video and strategy right now. If you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online, as well use some cool AI tools right now. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also make sure you do hit the like button to the videos, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release new videos to help you boost your income. So diving right back into the video of today, we're going to be utilizing a very cool and amazing platform called CPAGRIP, first of all, to go on to gaining CPA marketing offers. But before we do that, guys, we actually need to go on to generating a video first, which is why I'm going to utilize this platform right here called FLIKI.ai to generate a video. And since we're actually going to be utilizing YouTube right there, we could generate videos on any niche of our choice. And this particular AI tool is going to help us in our video creation to actually create videos 10 times faster and simpler with the help of these AI tools. As with the help of this AI tool, you can just simply transform your ideas into stunning content with AI voices utilizing the text to video tool. All you need to do is to click on start for free. You can sign up for free using your email account or email address, and you don't actually need a credit card to go on to subscribing for this particular AI, because there are free plans right there and there are also paid plans for the AI tool. If you want to know more about the pricing structure, click on pricing. You're going to be able to see more of that right there. But if you do sign up for free and log into your account, it should be brought to a page that will look similar to this, and you can actually not see any of these options right here or any of these videos right here, because these are previously videos I've created on this platform. So right now, if I want to just simply create a new video, maybe I want to focus on the health niche right now, I can actually do focus on maybe making money online or health niche or any kind of niche of my choice. So if I want to focus on health niche, maybe I click on new file right there and make sure the file type is on video. You make sure the language is on the language of your choice and the dialect right there. So I can actually give the file a name. Maybe I can actually do select health video or name the video something like health video. So if I do name it something like this, I'm going to start with empty right now. But you can actually start with converting your ideas into a video. You could convert your blog post into video, also your PowerPoint presentation files into video, Twitter tweets into video, and maybe you want to create a video for your product review. You can do that right now. But I'm going to start with empty file, click on submit, which is actually going to bring me to a very cool page where I can just simply start creating my videos right now. Now, supposing I actually do change my mind and I want to just simply create my videos from ideas, blog post, PowerPoint, or Twitter tweets, you want to just simply click on this magic create, come back right here, select any of the options and follow the necessary procedures that you will be shown to actually create a video. But right now I'm going to just simply create my videos from text right now, which is why I'm going to utilize a very cool platform called ChatGPT right now to go into generating text that I want to convert to speech. Now I'm utilizing this platform called ChatGPT. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write an article on how to lose weight fast with keto diet. ChatGPT did a great job. I'm just going to copy the text right now. If I do copy the text right there, so as not to waste much of our time, I'm not going to copy everything. I'm going to just simply stop in this section right now because I don't want to waste much of our time with creating the entire video right now. I'm just going to create a portion of that, head back to FLIKI AI, and what's going to happen right now is that if I do go on to pasting that particular text in this section, what FLIKI AI does is that it's going to go on to splitting my text into various scenes based on the text in that particular scene, and it's also going to go on to selecting a video for each scene based on the text in that scene. Also, you can see right here, this talks about the rapid weight loss with the keto diet, a comprehensive guide, and this is actually an exercise to lose weight loss video. You can see right here, this is an introduction section and there's a video attached to that. You can see right here the ketogenic diet. There's also a video right now attached to that right there on that section. You can see right here understanding keto diet. there's a video attached to that. This section right here that talks about fats and the rest, there's also a video that's attached to that that relates to that right now. So supposing if I do come right here and I don't actually like this video, that the video does not actually meet up to that particular scene, or it doesn't fit the scene, I'm going to select the video, come onto this video section, and I can actually see a lot of videos I could go on to utilizing right here. Now supposing I want to just simply select a new video right now, you can just simply scroll through, select one of the videos that is not locked, that is if you are using a free account, because some video will actually be locked right there that you can't actually gain access to. So you want to just simply look for a video that is not locked, or you can actually come right here and search for keyword related to videos. And right now I'm just going to come right here and type in weight loss, and if I do type in weight loss right now and click on enter, I will be able to see a lot of videos right here that I could just simply go on to utilizing right now. You can see right here that there are a lot of videos right here. Just simply select any one of your choice and utilize that for any scene right there. You can actually go on to uploading videos from your device right now, and you could just simply click on choose file. You'll be able to go to your device to upload the video. You can come back right here, click on generate to generate a very cool type of video, or you could just simply check your favorites. Now once you're done with that right there, you can select the voice style that you want to use for each scene right now based on this particular section. Click on the name, it's going to bring you right here, select the voice which you want to utilize and utilize that right now. You can actually go into adding background music, you could edit the volume, speed, the position of your subtitle, and edit that based on your preference. Once you're done guys, you could just simply come right here to settings, select the aspect ratio which you want for your video, if you want a square video, portrait, or a landscape. But since I'm actually creating YouTube videos that are actually regular videos, I'm going to utilize the landscape right now. Once I do click on save, once I'm done right here, I'm just going to click on download, and I can actually go on to clicking on start export. Now once I do start my exporting right there, the video will actually go on to getting downloaded on my device, which once the video gets downloaded, I can then head on to the next phase. Now you want to just simply go on to getting a CPA marketing offer that you want to promote. And if I do come right here to this platform called CPAGRIP, I go onto the offer tools section and select my offers, which I do filter my offers to the United States because YouTube actually gets most of its traffic from the United States. I can filter my offers based on payout and select a very cool sweepstake offer right now. You can see more details to the offer right here. I'm going to get paid $2.22. Once I do get successful lead to the offer, I'm going to copy the link to the offer, head on to this platform called QR-code-generator.com to convert that particular link into a QR code. You can see right here that the QR code has been generated. Click on this download icon, it will be downloaded on your device. Head on to the new platform right here called Canva, and once you do head on to Canva, you want to just simply select this video generation option, which is the blank video option right there. If you select that guys, the page is going to load up for you to go on to uploading the video right now. So if I do come onto this upload section, I can just simply click on upload files, and I can upload that QR code also, and that particular video which I downloaded from FLIKI AI right there. So if I do click on open, the QR code will be uploaded, and you can actually do see right here that this is the QR code. Now supposing guys I did upload my video, I'm just going to utilize any other random video to actually explain that to you. Supposing this is the video right here, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to insert the video and actually stretch this right here to fill into the entirety of the section. And you want to just simply go on to making going back to the image section, click on this scan me, and you want to just simply reduce the size right here and take that to the top right section of the screen. You can actually then go on to add in a simple text right there. Now for the text, you could add in a text that says scan code for giveaway. Once you're done with this right there, all you need to do is to click on share, and you just want to go on to downloading this particular video via the download icon, and click on the download icon once more, which you can then download that on your device. Once you've downloaded that on your device, you can then just simply head on to the YouTube channel right now, create a YouTube channel, click on this plus icon, click on upload video, and you want to just simply go on to uploading that particular video on this platform right here. It is quite easy to upload the video. You want to click on select file. As you can see right here, this is the video right now. Click on open right there. The video will be uploaded right now, and you can then just simply go on to generating a very cool title for the video. Insert a very cool description right there. For the thumbnail, you could also create thumbnails right now with the help of this platform called Canva right now, and that are actually the images which people will see before clicking your video. Now if you do create something quite cool, insert that in the thumbnail section. In this section that says show more, click on that. You want to scroll down until you could see tag section. Now this tag section is where you actually need to go on to inserting some cool and amazing tags that can actually help you go on to getting to a lot of audience right there. So you want to just simply add tags related to that particular niche. If it's a health niche, add tags related to the health niche right there that a lot of people do go on to searching for, and you can use that to go on to gaining to a lot of audience right there. And as people do watch that video, they do like the video, they're actually going to be able to see that giveaway code right there, or the QR code, of which if they do scan, takes them directly to your CPA marketing offer. If they complete the offer, you make money. So this is a very cool strategy right now. And if you analyze the YouTube platform based on similar web statistics, you will be able to see how much traffic YouTube actually gets. So basically guys, all you need to do is just simply to leverage this traffic or this strategy to reach out to a lot of audience. If the video did add some value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.